టుడే డిస్కౌంట్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం గురించి మనం చర్చించుకుందాం.
On 1st January 2014, Rajendra sold goods to Narendra worth of 4,000 rupees and Rayagul and Narendra payable after 3 months. After securing Narendra's acceptance, Rajendra discounted the bill with his dad at 12% per annum on 1st February 2014. On the due date, the bill is honored. In this problem, who is the drawee? Who is the drawer? Who grants the credit is known as drawer. Who takes the credit is known as drawee. Rajendra is drawer. Narendra is drawee. Rajendra seller. Narendra buyer. Drawer. Rajendra. Drawee. Narendra. Narendra goods sold to Rajendra sold goods to Narendra worth of 4,000 rupees and Rayagul and Narendra payable after 3 months. After securing Narendra's acceptance, Rajendra discounted the bill with his bank at 12% on 1st February 2014 and due date the bill is honored. First transaction is sold goods to Narendra. Always bills of exchange recorded credit transactions only. Cash transaction recorded in the cash book. First of all, first transaction goods sold to Narendra. Second transaction draw a bill. Narendra payable after 3 months. After securing Narendra's acceptance, Rajendra discounted the bill. Discounted the bill is back at 1% annually. Working note. Amount 4,000 rupees. Discount 12%. Into 1st January sold goods. First month discounted at 1st February. 2 months. 2 by 12. Per annum kabatti you take 12 months. Only 2 months is completed. That's why I write 2 months. 12. 100, 40 into 2 equals to 80. 80 rupees discount. On due date, 3 months is due date. 1st January 2014, 1st February 2014, second month, third month, 1st, 3rd 2014. Third one says third, fourth तारीख, fourth date, fourth month, 2014, due date. General entries in the books are Drayer. Drayer is Narendra. Drayer is Rajendra. Who is the seller? Is known as Drayer. Who is the tax credit? Is known as Drayer. Rajendra is tax to credit. He is the Drayer. Narendra takes the credit. He is the purchaser. He is the customer. General entries in the books are drawing. First तारीख, 1st January 2014. Rajendra sold goods to Narendra worth of 4,000 rupees. Credit transaction always will be recorded in the bills of exchange. Transaction. Debtors account debtor to sales account. Debtor to Rajendra is a creditor. Who grants the credit is known as the creditor. Who takes the credit is known as debtor. Narendra is the debtor. Customer's account debtor to sales account. Customer is Narendra. Debtor also Narendra. Narendra account debtor to sales always will be debited. Narendra customer's account always will be debited. Sales always will be credited. 4,000 rupees. Narendra account debtor to sales account. Customer's account always will be debit to sales account. Sales accounts always will be credit. Being goods sold to Narendra. In the books of dry account. Dry is Narendra. 1st तारीख 2014. Purchases account debtor to Rajendra account. Being purchased from Rajendra. 4,000 rupees. Second transaction. And Rai bill on Narendra payable after 3 months. After securing Narendra's acceptance, Rajendra discounted the bill with his bank at 12% per annum on 1st February 2014. On the due date, bill is honored.
Sir, same date and good same.
2014. And Rai bill on Narendra after 3 months. Second transaction, Rai bill. Bills receivable account. Data to Narendra account. ₹4,000. B. Bill is received. Bill is received. Receive is debit, always debit. Giver is always credit. Narendra is giver, that's why Narendra is credit. Same day. The bill is drawn. In this class, generally it is in the books are drawing. Rajendra account data to bills payable account. Amount 4,000 rupees. The bill is accepted. In this transaction, Rajendra is the according to general entries, personal account, Rajendra is the receiver. Always receiver is the debit. What goes up will be credit according to real account. That's why Rajendra account data to bills payable account. Bill is accepted to Narendra. Third transaction. Rajendra discounted the bill with his bank at 12% per annum on 1st February 2014. Date 1st February 2014. Rajendra discounted the bill with his bank at 12% per annum. Discount. Already we calculated the discount 80 rupees.
Another amount 3,920 rupees. Bill amount 4,000 rupees. The bill is discounted.
On the due date, the bill is honored. Bill is honored due date. January after 3 months. First tarikh 4th month 2014 and 3 days additional days will be added. On the due date, the bill is honored. Due date.
Additional 3 days also will be added. 4th April 2014. Bills payable account letter to bank account 4,000 rupees. Being bill amount is paid.
Once again, I tell this 2 points, last 2 points. Rajendra discounted the bill with his bank at 12% per annum on 1st February 2014. Working on 4,000 rupees, 12%, 12 by 100 into first month January, second month February, 2 months per annum కాబట్టి 12 months equals to 0 zeros cancel, 12 12 cancel, 40 into 2, 80 rupees discounted. The bill is deposited in the bank. Always that will be debit. Deposited in the bank, in that time bank will be debited. 3,920 rupees. Discount amount 80 rupees. Always incomes and gains credit. Bill receivable. Bill is the income, that's why credit. 4,000 rupees. Being bill is discounted in the bank. Discounted with the bank. On the till due date, the bill is honored. Due date is 1st January 2014. After 3 months. Second month, third month, fourth month, 3 months. And additional 3 days will be added. 3 days will be added. Fourth month In the books of Narendra, bills payable account is debit. Expenses and losses will be debit. That's why bills payable account is debited to bank account. Who is the receiver? He is the credit. Bank is the credit. 4,000 rupees. What goes out? Bank is goes out. That's why 4,000 rupees will be credited. Being bill amount is paid.